I just tried the ponyo.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It feels good.
Oh my gosh, that is insane. These are so fun. I have to get them.
It's in.
Really tight. This is like in there.
It's not going anywhere.
It feels so secure.
It feels really secure.
It's not false. It was very comfortable.
Very comfortable. It fits pretty good. It doesn't hurt. And it feels good. How does it feel? Good. Yeah, it's real comfortable. Oh, why not? No more tearing your hair out. Oh, hair out.
It didn't pull my hair. My hair is super thick and long, and it's so hard to find something that is comfortable and it's stylish.
I have curly hair and I'm so thrilled to find something that I can use. Thin, fine hair has plagued me my entire life. Look at the back of it. I actually have hair. I have volume.
Oh, look at that pony there.
Oh my gosh, girl, that hair.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, it's so cute. That is cute. Yeah.
I love it.
It would be great for day or night. I love it.
This is the best product ever.